And this is new at 5. The state has now rested its case in the trial over Ahmaud Arbery's death, following a potential blow to the defense's case. The judge today making it seem unlikely he will allow the defense to show evidence there was allegedly tension in the neighborhood where the shooting happened because of crime there in the months before. Joe Hankey listened to the arguments over the evidence today. And Joe, why did prosecutors object to the defense's evidence?
Well, Sheba, the evidence in question includes 68 Glynn County police reports from the Satilla Shores neighborhood near Brunswick, where Ahmaud Arbery was shot and killed in February of 2020. The reports are from July 2019 through May 2020. The defense attorneys say the reports support their defense. The state says that the reports are irrelevant.
The citizens of this neighborhood were concerned about crime. This is proof that there are things going on and that show their concern.
Travis McMichael's attorney Jason Sheffield argued dozens of neighborhood police reports should be allowed as evidence and would support the case they began presenting in their opening statement when Robert Rubin, Travis's second attorney, read Facebook comments about neighborhood crime.
It's getting old. I'm nervous. Lock your cars.
This corroborates essentially those witnesses and other people in the neighborhood who have experienced problems.
Sheffield said the reports detail suspicious people, trespassing, burglary, entering automobiles, and police making neighborhood patrols.
If this is allowed and we're going to go through this, then the state wishes to go ahead and really go through it. And
Prosecutor Linda Dunikowski said nearly all of the reports have nothing to do with the defendants, Travis or Gregory McMichael or William Roddy Bryant. The defendants claimed they believed Arbery committed a robbery following other recent neighborhood crimes and were attempting to make a citizen's arrest. His family claims he was targeted for being black and running through the defendant's neighborhood when he was shot. Dunikowski says the reports need context, as many are personal disputes or issues that were not found to be criminal in nature.
What they're going to argue is the neighborhood was under attack, and that suspicious person, of course, had to be Ahmaud Arbery. There's no other suspicious person in the neighborhood unless they understand that this suspicious person was my brother. This suspicious person was a contractor. This suspicious person was some kids in the neighborhood. There was actually a call for a suspicious person on 4 kids hanging out in a driveway.
One of Gregory McMichael's attorneys, though, said the idea that police were routinely called to the neighborhood should be noted, using the reports as support.
Whether or not a suspicious person was located. This raises, as we'll be able to show in the Facebook page, people's level of concern.
And in the past hour, prosecutors called its final witness and they rested their case. Defense attorneys starting tomorrow morning will have their turn at calling witnesses. Judge Timothy Walmsley, who's hearing this case, made it seem unlikely he would allow all of those police reports to be used as evidence by the defense. He said just because police were called does not mean the neighborhood was on edge, and he's concerned many of those reports could contain hearsay. Sheba.
All right, Joe, appreciate you covering this trial from the very beginning here. And 11 Alive is committed to covering this trial from start to finish. We're streaming it on our 11 Alive YouTube channel and posting the big developments on 11alive.com.